Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll take a look at Hyatt Place Cascade Station in Portland, Oregon, next to the airport. The location is right off the freeway and a few minutes from the airport. It's close to retail shopping and restaurants. The rooms are very spacious and typical of any Hyatt Place hotel you've been at before. Some things that are within walking distance of this hotel include a Target, Burger King, Buffalo Wild Wings, Nordstrom Rack, Old Navy, and an IKEA. This hotel also included daily free breakfast. Even though they had quite a few items for breakfast, the quality itself was pretty average or slightly below average. Not one of my favorite breakfast spots at a hotel. This will be the courtesy shuttle that would take you to and from the airport. Thanks for watching.